Earlier in June 1991, while there were early warnings that Mount Pinatubo was showing signs of activity, many people had no idea of the scale of what was about to unfold. Veteran broadcaster Cecile Yumul was on air during a live radio program when she saw a massive eruption column rising above the volcano.
Looking outside my window when I was broadcasting, I saw that big mushroom growing with a stem, and the head just kept growing. It was fatally beautiful.
On June 15, 1991, Mount Pinatubo hit central Luzon with one of the largest volcanic eruptions of the 20th century. Soon after, Typhoon Yunya tracked across Luzon, mixing heavy rain with the volcanic ashfall and devastating the province of Pampanga. 35 years later, Yumul recalls what it was like to witness the disaster, report its impacts, and help communities through its aftermath. For the full story of a broadcaster on the front lines of the 1991 Mount Pinatubo eruption, watch the episode of So to Speak podcast on June 24, Wednesday, 8 p.m. Available on the official YouTube channel, Spotify, and the digital platforms of CLTV 36 and So to Speak podcast.